alignment, you will click on it. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Thank you guys for supporting my channel. I appreciate you all, my channel members, returning subscribers, new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, today we will look at using YouTube Shorts tool to create a simple shorts. Also guys, note that this is not the only method of creating your shorts, but we will look at using their shorts tool, YouTube Shorts tool, to create our shorts. So first we look at the benefits or pros of YouTube Shorts. One, it increases reach and visibility. Short form vertical videos are popular and can quickly grab attention, potentially exposing content to a wider audience, including YouTube's 2 million active users. Audience engagements. Shorts are designed for fast consumption and engagement. Engaging captions and trending topics can provoke discussions and interactions. 3. Platform growth. Utilizing the shorts format can help grow a channel's overall performance and drive traffic to longer form content. 4. Ease of creation. Shorts can often be created and uploaded quickly, sometimes directly within the YouTube mobile app, and that's what we are looking at today. Cons and considerations. So 1. Format constraint. Video must be 60 seconds or less. Please note guys that YouTube has updated their system, so it can be 60 seconds or more in a vertical format, which may not suit all types of content. Content quality demands. To stand out, high resolution, good sound quality, and engaging visual are important. Algorithm focus. Success in the shorts feed relies heavily on the algorithm, which prioritizes quick engagement and watch time within the short format. Pointers for creating effective YouTube shorts. Focus on the format. Ensure videos are vertical and less than 60 seconds long. Why I say less than a minute long, guys, for me, the shorter my shorts are, is the more retention I get on them. But to each their own. We can all experiment whether we want it to be longer or shorter, because YouTube does give us the option to make our shorts longer or shorter. Get to the point quickly. Grab attention fast to keep people engaged. Optimize caption. Using clear headlines and visible information in the caption body, using line breaks or readable, engaging caption can increase interaction. Add caption subtitles, enhance sound quality, and considering adding captions or subtitles for accessible and better engagement. Use relevant thumbnails. A customized cover can give people an idea of the video content. Be consistent. Regular upload can help maintain audience interest and channel growth. Repurpose content. Existing long form videos can often be repurposed into shorts. So guys, please note the last one, repurpose content. So we can repurpose our long form content, whether it's our live stream, our videos, and use them into shorts, and this will get viewers to watch your long form content, whether it's your live stream or your regular videos. At this point, guys, we will do the practical part of it by creating a shorts using YouTube tool by clicking on the plus sign and selecting shorts. Aim your camera to the object that you want to do the shorts. Remember, visual is the key. Once you are done taking your object, you just click back on the red dot. You will see a sticky beside the red dot. Before all of these tools at the side are icons, editing icons that you can play around with. We can also add song to it by clicking on add sound. It will take you to YouTube audio library. You just choose a song. Once you select the desired song, you click on the blue arrow and the song will be inserted into your video. When you are done, you can click on the sticky right there. You will be seeing other additional editing tools. You can do a text overlay by clicking on the text, on the letters. These are all those colors. You can choose what color you would want your text to be seen in. For this one, we'll do yellow, because remember, visuality is the aim, and visual is the aim, and also color coordination. So we'll write, God is able to do everything but fail. Once you are done, we will use the cursor at the side to align our text. When you're comfortable with the desired alignment, once you are comfortable, you'll click on done and then next. If you want additional more editing, you can click on the mic below. That's for voice overlay. Because I don't want to have a echo, I won't keep the voice overlay for long. You can select green screen. Just play around with the icons, guys. These icons, they are all editing tool. Also additional editing tool by clicking on edit at the bottom. Once we are done, we click on the arrow at the top and it will take you to where you need to either to put in your title first. So we'll just call this God is able, and we will of course check our spell check, is able to do everything but fail. Once we are done, we would either choose public, unlisted, private, members only by just selecting one of them. For this one, I'll keep it in unlisted. I always upload my videos in unlisted. And then you click on upload shorts. Also, you should choose no, not made for kids, but I have all of those already preset, so I didn't need to do that. Once your video is uploaded and you see, for me, we will see it will say no issues found. Then you will click on the three dots we will click on the three dots and click on edit, as we need to put in a description. So for this we'll just say hashtag inspirational hashtag motivational. I'm just thinking as I go along. Once that is done, you will click on the arrow and go back. You can choose add to a playlist, invite a collab, if you alter the content, if you want to add a tag. At the end, you will just click on save and the video will be uploaded into YouTube. So thank you all for watching another video, guys. Leave your comment down below, and as Blessed Life always say, continue to be that reason for someone to smile. Speak blessings over your lives, and remember, no matter what your journey in this life is, it is blessed. See you all on another video. Bye, guys.